Let me invite Vice President Yoon Young-soon, and let's watch the clip first.
I studied in immunity, radiology immunity, cancer immunity. I've been studying in this area for 37 years. As I spent a lot of time in this area, that is why I could develop Hemohim. Where the name come from? HIM-1-2. This is what we called it. Why did we call it HIM? Hematopoiesis. It's H is from this word, and I from immunity, and M from modulation, which means improvement and enhancement. So HIM. So what is more important, H or I? H is more important, so I add one more H. So we call it Hemohim. Him in Korean means power, so many people like this name. So what is Hemohim? It can increase your balance for immune cells, and it can also improve the function of regenerative cells. What is the correlation between immunity and fatigue improvement? Fatigue and immune enhancement have something in common. If you feel fatigue, you get a cold. So if you improve your fatigue, then your immunity will also be enhanced, and vice versa. Fatigue is the reason for reduced immunity. So if you feel fatigue, you can have Hemohim when you go outside Korea for work, and when you have to work overnight. You can eat Hemohim. If you feel fatigue, then your immune system can also be decreased. So they have a common ground, and it is a very complex design. It is here you can see antioxidant effect for regeneration, to regenerate our cells, and here you can see the Y effect, which means the function that the body can create blood, and for the Z effect, it is about the improvement of immune system. So we have X, Y, Z effect, three different effects: antioxidant regeneration, blood generation, and immune improvement. So this is the basic design for a Hemohim ingredient. So this is something that we have anticipated from the very first phase, and we got the recognition by proving it. So when you buy a new car and when you drove it for 1 minute, then the car becomes a used car. The same goes for human beings. We are the healthiest at the age of 30, but after that age, we feel fatigue, and immune system is also decreased. So the correlation between fatigue and immunity is very close. Our body, we can feel the damage when it is damaged by 80%. But you can lower the threshold toward 30% by having Hemohim. If you feel like your immunity is lower than before, then you can have Hemohim to improve immunity to get the balance back. And you can prevent getting a cold. And having the Hemohim is enough for your health. Why should we have Hemohim? When we got the patent, I was thrilled. I did it. I made it. I proved the function. So I put all the knowledge that I accumulated for more than 3 decades. So I put everything I had in this one product. I got some national support as I worked as a researcher for national institutes. And I was thrilled to provide a contribution for the global health. And I ask myself every day, can I have something that is better than Hemohim? My answer is no. Hemohim is the best. Hemohim has a lot of ingredients, and antioxidant is the key. Antioxidant effect can improve immunity and can also reduce fatigue. So fatigue reduction and immune enhancement, dual functionality is something that we proved this time. If you feel fatigued, then your immune system can also reduce. So you need to understand the correlation between them, between fatigue and immune system to improve your health. Thank you very much. I am Yoon Young-sung, the Vice President at Atomy. So let me again talk